Hi everyone, my name is Timmy Fillipi, and I am the treasurer of the 7th grade class of Charles G. Dawes Junior High School. And today I was elected by a majority of my peers to give a talk regarding the birds, and the bees. It's sex! So you're gonna have to forgive me. I'm a little new at this. 2 weeks ago, my dad sat me down and told me about everything. And still trying to wrap my head around the whole thing. It's a little overwhelming. So first off, you need to find a woman. Okay? Maybe a blonde one. No. Maybe one with brown hair. No, maybe one with just hair. Then you sit her down. Maybe buy her a nice meal. Give her a toy to play with. Maybe play some James Brown and little Frank Sinatra. And then you need to remember. Don't. I repeat, do not look at her boobs. Look at boobs! Okay? I know it's going to be hard. For Christ's sake, they're boobs! But you need to remember. Then you need to get up real close. I mean, real close. Real close! And just as things are getting a little hotter, the excitement growing, the pressure growing. Can we take intermission? Right. Then you're going to want to kiss her. And then when things are starting to escalate, you should take out your junk. By that I mean your penis. Penis. Then you're going to want to move in real slow like. Oh, sorry. You need protection. Protection. Now I've heard it's really important by others, so make sure you have it. And you're going to want to move in real slow. Like a spaceship or something. It's going to be hotter, wetter, louder, and with more gravity. And you're going to want to rock back and forth. Like it's the winter bash. And you're dancing with Susie Steinberg. Beautiful. She's got those sexy side bangs that she got up at summer camp in Maine. She's wearing that cool feet retainer. She just got her braces on. And when she dances, her sweet 8th grade took us to the electric slide. Anyway. When you're done, you're going to need a page to help take off your protection. You might as well break out some Go-Gurts. You've worked up a mighty fine sweat. And finally, I'd just like to end with some words from my father, Jim Fillipi. He said to me, son, sex is a mysterious thing, like the Mayans or lasers. The scientists don't really understand how it works yet, so be careful. Don't use my friends for brazzers, just use porn at Pornhub or something. I'm Timmy Fillipi from Charles G. Dawes Junior High School, and that's how you make babies.